6 Steps to Maximizing Value at Exit, continued. In a previous video, we talked about the first 3 steps you needed to do to help you get full value when you are ready to make your exit. Today we are talking about the next 3 steps, so you have 6 steps that you need to complete to get value out of your company. 1. Assemble your advisory team. You will need a team with specific skills to advise you during the sale of your business. Specifically, you will need the expertise of an attorney, an accountant, a banker, a personal financial advisor, a real estate broker, if needed, and potentially a business broker. Today, selling a business is so specialized that even the best attorney, accountant or real estate broker may need additional help from a savvy business broker who knows where the buyers are for your business. With the right team in place, the advice they offer will help you navigate the sale process with optimal results. We can help you assemble and coordinate an advisory team that is focused on optimizing the value of the sale and structuring the sale to maximize benefits for the business owner. 2. Identifying target buyers. As a business owner, you may think your prospective buyer is someone just like you, with the same motivations and passion for your business. Interestingly, there are many types of prospective buyers for your business but can be classified into 2 major groups, strategic and financial. A financial buyer is looking for an interesting or new category of investment to add to their portfolio. The strategic buyers may be looking for businesses that fit into their existing business model. They may be your suppliers, vendors, customers, or even competitors. Take the time to make a list of all buyers, even if they seem like long shots. Work with your advisor to develop this list and devise a plan for approaching them all. Our team of experts can help facilitate the creation of a list of potential buyers from similar industry companies and companies known to the client. We can coordinate notifying those companies of the client's intent to sell. Our team can assist with additional sales strategies if no viable buyer is found in this pool. 3. Plan your negotiation style. It is wise to plan your negotiation strategy before you have an interested and qualified prospect. Remember that your goal is to sell rather than to beat the buyer at a negotiation game. You and the buyer should lay the foundation for a team effort to get to a closing. Do not allow yourself to get bogged down in disputes with your buyer. Your ego should not distract you from satisfying your underlying need to sell. Instead, treat your buyer as an ally and focus on interests rather than on positions. Generate a variety of solutions before deciding what to do about any point of disagreement. Try to resolve the toughest issues with objective criteria or independent standards. Use your business broker as your intermediary, to serve as your safety valve and to help you avoid unnecessary disputes. Be responsive and prompt during negotiations to show good faith and to help assure timely closing of the sale. Also, have an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement ready for the prospective buyer to sign. Do not rely on an NDA provided by the buyer. Prospective buyers can, and do, change their minds. Once the prospect makes a commitment to buy, it is wise to get it in writing immediately along with a significant non-refundable earnest money deposit. After the initial agreement is signed, close as soon as possible. Your business is not sold until the check clears, so make sure the money is in the bank before you set plans in motion for that well-deserved vacation. How can we at Catalyst Strategy Consulting answer any questions and help you move forward with selling your business? Contact us to help set your business for success. Thanks for watching.